Good afternoon, students. Today we will study lecture 7 Organic Chemistry Ethers, Aliphatic and Aromatic Ethers. Ethers. They are compounds which contain one oxygen in between two alkyl or aryl groups connected by single bond R dash. Ethers are symmetrical ethers if R and R dash are same. If R and R dash are same, they are known as symmetrical ethers. Ethers are asymmetrical ethers if R and R dash are different. Example, CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 symmetrical ether because on either side of O, R and R dash, that is CH3 CH2 CH3, on the both side you are having symmetrical groups, on the both side you are having ethyl groups. So it is example of symmetrical ether, that is diethyl ether. Next example, CH3O CH2 CH3. Here on the both side of O there are different alkyl groups, CH3 on one side and CH3 CH2, that is methyl group on one side and ethyl group on other side. So it is an asymmetrical ether. R and R dash are different. So their example, it is example name is ethyl methyl ether. It is an example of asymmetrical ether. Preparation of ether from alkyl halide. When alkyl halides are heated with silver oxide, ethers are obtained. Example, ethyl chloride on heating with dry silver oxide gives diethyl ether. CH3CH2Cl, that is chloroethane plus Ag2O, silver oxide, on heating we are getting CH3CH2O CH2Cl3, that is diethyl ether plus 2AgCl. On the both side ethyl group is there, so it is a example method of preparation of symmetrical ether. Next is Williamson's synthesis. When alkyl halides are treated with sodium alkoxide, ethers are obtained. Alkoxide group means OR. OR is alkoxide group. So sodium alkoxide are, when heated with alkyl halides, when heated with sodium alkoxide, ethers are obtained. Example, ethyl bromide when treated with sodium methoxide, methoxyethane, that is ethyl methyl ether is obtained. So methanol first when treated with sodium we are getting sodium methoxide. CH3O is methoxide group, Na plus is sodium methoxide. On the arrow CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide. So we are getting CH3O CH3CH2 methoxyethane. CH3O is methoxy group, CH3CH2 is ethane. So methoxyethane is obtained, or we can call it as ethyl methyl ether plus sodium bromide. So in Williamson synthesis, alkyl halides are treated with sodium alkoxide and ethers are obtained. Next method is from alcohol. Ethers are prepared from alcohol by dehydration method. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. When alcohols are treated with concentrated H2SO4, water molecules are eliminated and ethers are formed. Example, ethyl alcohol when heated in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, diethyl ether is obtained. Reaction, CH3CH2OH, two molecules of ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH, on heating with H2SO4 concentrated and 140 degrees centigrade, we are getting CH3CH2O CH2CH3, that is in both side of ether group they are ethyl group is there. So diethyl ether plus H2O is formed. So from alcohols we are getting also ethers. Next, reactions of ether, cleavage of ethers with HI, hydrogen iodide. When ethers are heated with HI, the ether linkage breaks and mixture of alkyl halide and alcohols are obtained. So when ethers are heated with hydrogen iodide, ether linkage, that is O linkage, is broken and mixture of alkyl halide and alcohol are obtained. Both we are getting alkyl halide and alcohol. Example here, diethyl ether on reaction with HI gives a mixture of ethyl iodide and ethyl alcohol, CH2CH3O CH2CH3. HI, hydrogen iodide, in cold we are getting CH3CH2 plus carbonium ion we are getting, then it attacks I attacks on CH2 and we are getting CH3CH2I, and another CH3CH2 goes with OH. So we are getting ethyl alcohol. So when diethyl ether is heated with in cold, diethyl ether on reaction in cold with HI gives mixture of ethyl iodide and ethyl alcohol. Next example 2 is methyl phenyl ether or methoxybenzene on reaction with HI gives phenyl and methyl iodide. On benzene ring OCS3. OCS3 is methoxy on benzene group. So it is methoxybenzene, or we can call this as methyl phenyl ether. Then it is also called as anisole. Plus HI at 373K we are getting phenol. On benzene ring OH is phenol plus CH3 iodomethane or methyl iodide. So this is an example of aromatic ether, that is reaction of methyl phenyl ether with HI. So here methoxybenzene gives phenol and iodomethane. Then relative reactivity of alcohol and ether means alcohols are more reactive or ethers are more reactive. Ethers have general formula R bond O bond R dash when alcohols are represented by ROH. So we are comparing the reactivity of alcohol and ether. Ether are ROR and alcohols are, we know that, ROH. From alcohol, when H is removed, remarkable change in reactivity take place. Means when H is removed, it becomes RO minus, that is alkoxide. It is forming alkoxide and it is becoming reactive. In ether, we are seeing that on both sides there are R group, that is alkyl groups are there, which are comparatively less reactive. Therefore, we can say that reactivity of ethers are less than alcohol, because on both sides alkyl groups are there. Ethers are less reactive, and in alcohols, when H is removed, it becomes RO minus and their form alkoxides are formed, and hence they are more reactive. So we can say that reactivity of ethers are less than phenols, less than alcohol. All alcohols are more reactive than ethers. Thank you.